Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I was able to get this hairstyle with clip-ins. I'm going to show you the whole process of how I made them, how I installed them, and how I styled my hair. So I'm going to be showing you all that process. So if you want to know how to get this natural look for yourself using clip-ins, then keep on watching. So the first thing that you're going to need for the style is your thread. You can find this at any beauty supply store. It's this thread you use for sewing hair. And then you're going to need your clips, large wig clips in either black or brown. You're going to need a thin sewing needle that can fit between the clips, and just some scissors and your hair. So if you notice, bundles actually don't come double wefted. So we're going to do the fold over, and we are going to sew these two ends together to make your clips thicker. Y'all, please excuse my broke nail. Don't judge me, okay? I'm gonna get it fixed. So when you're done, your weft should look something like this. And now it's time for the clips. So you just want to make sure that the clips are flat against the track and that you don't put them on backwards. You may have to open it just to be sure. And then you're just going to sew through it. That's why you want to make sure your needle is thin enough to fit through the hole on the clip here. So once done, it should look like this, and you're just going to repeat this step for all the other tracks. Okay, so my hair looks like this right here because I just took some braids down, but I actually think it'll make it easier for me to braid my hair again. So I already have the first clip installed, so just as an example here, I'm going to part my hair in the back, and then I'm going to clear out the way, and then I'm going to take a track and kind of just make sure it fits where my part should be, and then I'm going to braid this up. Once the braid is complete, I'm just going to go ahead and snap the track into place. And once I've worked the tracks up far enough, what I do is separate the edges from the rest of my hair, and then I'll continue to put in the tracks after this, but I just want to separate the front first, kind of braid it off, and then this is what it should look like after a few tracks.
That's good.
Alright you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you all understand how I was able to do my clip-ins. If you have any questions, make sure to leave them in the comment section below and I will answer them. That's it for now, you guys. Adios, till next time.
Looking for a way out, you know, just taking it slow.